If your ACoS has been creeping up like your electricity bill in winter, don't panic, this video is for you. Today we're going to uncover the truth about ACoS. We're talking about the sneaky traps Amazon doesn't tell you about, the outdated advice still floating around, and how you can use Amazon's own data to cut your costs and boost your profits. Sounds like magic? It's not. It's just strategy. And don't worry, I'm not going to bombard you with random acronyms. This is all simple, practical, and based on what real sellers are using right now in 2025. Let's dive in. What ACoS actually means. First things first, ACoS is Amazon's way of saying, here's how much you spend on ads compared to how much revenue you made from those ads. So, if you spend $50 on ads and made $200, your ACoS is 25%. But here's the thing. ACoS on its own doesn't tell you if it's actually good for your business. It's like saying you're great at running without telling me if you're running a marathon or chasing an ice cream truck. If your profit margin is 30% and your ACoS is 40%, you're not scaling, you're bleeding money. Now, here's the big mistake most sellers make. They optimize for ACoS like it's the holy grail. You don't want the lowest ACoS, you want the most profitable one. For example, if you raise your ACoS from 25% to 35% but triple your revenue and boost organic ranking, that's a win. So the real question isn't how do I lower ACoS, it's am I profitable at this ACoS? Alright, let's get tactical now. These are the 5 latest proven strategies to control your ACoS without slashing your bids like a madman. Use long-tail keywords, not just the obvious ones. We all know sellers love to chase those big search terms like wireless earbuds or protein powder. But guess what? The competition's fierce and it's expensive. Instead, start targeting long-tail keywords like wireless earbuds for running or low-carb chocolate protein powder. This brings in more qualified traffic with lower CPC and higher conversion rates. More qualified buyers equal healthier ACoS. Optimize your listings first. Here's the fun truth. Your ACoS might actually be a listing problem, not an ad problem. If your title and bullet points are not SEO optimized and your images look like they were shot on a flip phone, you're just paying to drive traffic to a dead end. Fix the listing first and watch your conversion rates go up. ACoS drops even if your ad spend stays the same. Strategic bidding, instead of set it and forget it. Amazon's algorithms are smart, but they are not that smart. Stop doing the set it and forget it thing with your bids. Instead, use performance-based bidding. Increase bids on high-converting keywords and cut back or pause anything that's wasting spend. Think of it like tuning a race car. You don't just floor it and hope for the best. You tweak based on the track. Leverage negative keywords. If you're selling high-end kitchen knives, you don't want to show up for cheap knives or kids' cutlery. Add irrelevant terms as negative keywords so you don't waste your budget on the wrong crowd. Know when to invest in higher ACoS. During product launches or ranking pushes, it's okay to run a higher ACoS for short bursts. If it gets you to page 1 and boosts organic sales, your blended ACoS could still be super profitable. So don't panic if your ACoS spikes, just zoom out and check the full picture. So, quick recap. Don't obsess over low ACoS. Optimize your listings, not just your bids. Use long-tail keywords and negatives. Make your ACoS work for your profit, not against it. If you found this helpful, hit that like button, subscribe for more weekly news, and drop a comment if you want me to walk through a real ACoS audit on screen. And hey, if you want our keyword planner, it's all free in our school community. Links in the description. Catch you next week.